Alright. Just got on Highway 9 with the Integra. Holy shit. Alright, I guess shit. This gas is like 440 now. Jesus Christ. At least I don't have to pre-mix this like my FD, but Jesus. It's getting so expensive to drive now. You go to like Costco or some shit. Shit's way too expensive, man. No, I don't want to see how much I spent. Shit is way too much money. Went from my homie in the Camry. I don't know where Nathan is, but he said he's on Saratoga. Oh my god. It's probably enough. Yeah, there he is. Dude, that thing is clean, bro. About to be Toyota versus Honda up here. Dude. Why are your tires, dude? Your tires are huge. 225/50s? Is it 225/50 square?
Yeah.
Dude, they're huge, bro. Holy shit. All right. Do you need gas?
No.
Okay. Are we waiting for anyone else?
I don't think so.
Okay. All right.
Dirty,
That's okay. I haven't cleaned mine in a while. It rained, dude, so I wasn't gonna wash it. So, all right. Yeah, we can go up. All right, currently on Highway 9. Shit, hold on. Fuck. Currently on Highway 9, chasing Nathan. Unfortunately, there's like this stupid ass Tesla in front of us. This guy's got no pistons. I don't know what he's doing. I don't know if he thinks he's fast or what. I mean, I'm not really sure what he's doing, but we're going like 45 miles an hour. This guy's he's not moving. I mean, I'll give it to him, he's moving faster than other Teslas, but you know, he's not. Nathan's in a Camry. He's fucking on this Tesla's ass, so Tesla needs to move because he's about to get smoked by this Camry and me, or I don't know, he's got to speed up. He's got to do something. I don't know what he's doing. But yeah, me and Nathan from the car club, allegedly, because we're not doing anything scandalous. We're running 9 right now, and hopefully, I actually almost spun out earlier. I almost oversteered. It was kind of weird. I thought I would always understeer because front wheel drive car, but this car actually has a pretty good rear switch. There we go. Oh shit. Wait. Something's making noise. Fuck. What the fuck? What is that? Car's like not engaging in VTEC right now. Oh my god, dude. This car needs a tune so bad. Jesus Christ, it's like bogging out. It's like misfiring some shit. The fuck? Oh my god. I'm like not getting any power right now. What the fuck is going on? I have no... Dude, I have a vacuum leak somewhere, I'm pretty sure. Finally caught up to Nathan only because he got caught up by traffic. Otherwise, this Camry's smoking me. Holy shit. I don't know. I hear like a vacuum leak in my... I don't know what it is, but I'm like lugging to engage in VTEC. I just replaced the VTEC solenoid too. I don't know what... I replaced the fuel pressure. I replaced the fuel pressure regulator, the fuel pump itself. I replaced the VTEC solenoid, the entire VTEC solenoid. The spark plugs are brand new, and the distributor is brand new. So I don't... it could be my... I think if there's not enough oil pressure, that it won't... the car doesn't engage in VTEC, so that could be it. Shit. But it's like it's struggling so much to engage in VTEC. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, Nathan fucking smoked my ass.
Rider, buster, you need it, I'll bleed it. Geeking off a perkin', bitch, I'm feeling like a demon. Bitch, I came in, drifting on the pavement.